Welcome students. Today we will see question bank of TYBBACA subject Recent Trends in IT, third chapter Data Warehouse. First question, data scrubbing is which of the following? Option A, a process to reject data from the data warehouse and to create the necessary indexes. B, a process to load the data in the data warehouse and to create the necessary indexes. C, a process to upgrade the quality of data after it is moved into a data warehouse. And D, a process to upgrade the quality of data before it is moved into a data warehouse. Answer is option number D. Data scrubbing is the process to upgrade the quality of data before it is moved into a data warehouse. Next question, the active data warehouse architecture includes which of the following? Option A, at least one data mart. B, data that can extracted from numerous internal and external sources. C, near real-time updates. And D, all of the above. Answer is option number D, all of the above. As you see in the diagram, the data warehouse architecture includes some sources, data marts and near real-time updates. So answer is option number D, all of the above. Next question, a goal of data mining includes which of the following? Option A, to explain some observed event or condition. B, to confirm that data exists. C, to analyze data for expected relationships. D, to create a new data warehouse. Answer is option number A, to explain some observed events or conditions. Data mining is the process of finding anomalies, patterns and correlations within large data sets to predict outcomes. So answer is option number A, to explain some observed event or condition. Next question, a data warehouse is which of the following? Option A, can be updated by end users. B, contains numerous naming conventions and formats. C, organized around important subject areas. D, contains only current data. Answer is option number C, organized around important subject area. A data warehouse provides information to a specific subject instead of the whole organization's ongoing operations. For example, product information, sales data, customer and supplier detail, etc. So answer is it is organized around important subject areas. Next question, some of the columns of a relation are at different sites is which of the following? Option A, data replication. B, horizontal partitioning. C, vertical partitioning. D, horizontal and vertical partitioning. Answer is option number C, vertical partitioning. Vertical partitioning involves creating tables with fewer columns and using additional tables to store the remaining columns. So answer is option number C, vertical partitioning. Next question, a snowflake schema is which of the following types of tables? Option A, fact. B, dimension. C, helper. D, all of the above. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Snowflake schema is surrounded by dimension table, fact table, helper table. So answer is option number D, all of the above. Next question, the generic two-level data warehouse architecture includes which of the following? Option A, At least one data mart. B. Data that can extracted from numerous internal and external sources. C. Near real-time updates. D. All of the above. Answer is option number B. Data that can be extracted from numerous internal and external sources. The generic two-level data warehouse includes the data extracted from internal and external sources. Next question. Fact table are which of the following? Option A. Completely denormalized. B. Partially denormalized. C. Completely normalized. And D. Partially normalized. Answer is option number C. Completely normalized. In general, fact table is normalized and dimension table is denormalized, so that you will get all required information about the fact by joining the dimension in star schema. So answer is option number C, completely normalized. Next question. A star schema has what type of relationship between a dimension and fact table? Option A. Many to many. B. One to one. C. One to many. D. All of the above. Answer is option number C. One to many. As you see in the diagram, in the star schema, one fact table is having connection with multiple dimension table. So, answer is option number C. One to many. Next question. A data mart is designed to optimize the performance for well-defined and predictable uses. Option A. True. B. False. Answer is option A. True. Data mart makes specific data available to a defined group of users, which allows those users to quickly access critical insights without wasting time searching through an entire data warehouse. Next question. Independent data marts are often created because an organization focuses on a series of short-term business objectives. Option A. True. B. False. Answer is option number A. It is true. Independent data marts are standalone systems built by drawing data directly from operational or external sources of data or both. Next question. The role of ETL process is to identify erroneous data and to fix it. ETL, extract, transport and load. Option A. True. B. False. Answer is option B. False. ETL stands for extract, transport, transform and load. These are three database functions that are combined into one tool to extract data from database, modify it and place it into another database. So, given statement is false. Next question. Star schema is suited to online transaction processing and therefore is generally used in operational schema, operational data stores or an EDW. Option A. True. B. False. Answer is option B. False. An enterprise data warehouse EDW is a database or collection of databases that centralizes a business information from multiple sources and applications. Star schema is suited to ad hoc queries and other forms of information processing. An ad hoc query is short-lived and is created it at runtime. So, star schema doesn't use in online processing. So, given statement is false. Next question. Which of the following is an essential process in which the intelligent methods are applied to extract data patterns? Option A. Warehousing. B. Data mining. C. Text mining, and D. Data selection. Answer is option B. Data mining. Data mining is a type of process in which several intelligent methods are used to extract meaningful data from the huge collection or set of data. So answer is B. Data mining. Next question, what is KDD in data mining? Option A. Knowledge Discovery Database, B. Knowledge Discovery Data, C. Knowledge Data Definition, D. Knowledge Data House. Answer is option number A. Knowledge Discovery Database. The term KDD or Knowledge Discovery Database is referred to a broad process of discovering the knowledge in the data and emphasizes the high level applications of specific data mining techniques as well. Thank you.